Guys, it's your boy That Van Guy, and I'm coming back at you with another video. This one's gonna be just a little bit different than usual. So I did something like this to my buddy Kyle's car, and now I have another friend trusting me to do a good job on his. So I'm gonna flip the camera around real quick and show you guys what I'm working on tonight, and I'm super excited. On those videos or not, but this car's actually been shot at. I'm just joking, that was a bad joke. He's installing a wide body kit, so he got the fronts notched out just a little bit so he can clear stuff, and he's running two different sets of wheels, so he's just like I got it together so I can get it down here, so we're good. Anyways, so he got it down here. He already mocked up the wide body kit kind of temporarily on there, got the holes drilled, got it mounted, so it's all in place. So all I need to do is trim the fenders basically as much as I can, without having to do any super extensive fabrication. So yeah, fortunately on these BMWs, when you feel up inside of here, you have quite a bit of room to work with before you get to the seam. So it might end up not being quite as bad as I thought, but I don't know, there's always surprises. So I'm sure there's gonna be tons of time lapses in this video and all sorts of stuff, but it's just something other than my shitbox van that I get to show you guys. So should be fun. I'll keep you guys posted. 50% of doing a good fender job is marking everything out. Or I shouldn't even say that, because this is probably one of the easiest parts, but one of the most important. So when you are cutting fenders, especially on something that you care about a lot, in this case, something my friend cares about a lot, which means I have to care about it even more, is drawing your map correctly. So I'm going to lay out some masking tape on here. I've already kind of figured out I'm only going to be able to pull out about probably 2.5 inches. I'll double check that here in just a second. So I'm gonna lay my masking tape accordingly on this arc here, and then after that, draw my line. I'll show you guys the perfect way how to draw a line on one of these, and then it'll be time to start cutting. So I'll update you guys here in just a second. Show you your new favorite hack for trimming fenders and getting a perfect line drawn out. I know it can always be tough, but piece of baling wire, you figure out how much you want to space it out. So here, let me, jeez. I broke my little Craftsman roller chair and I'm upset about it. Probably need to lose weight, I don't know. It's a sign. Okay, so I gotta remember to look at the camera and not like my screen over here. It's like that. Okay, so you take your Sharpie and you measure your distance from this guy to there, the amount that you want to cut basically, and then you just wrap some wire around it real quick, like no big deal, and then bend it out the exact distance you want away from your deal. And then when you go to draw a line, you just put it on the inside of the fender. So let's say this is the inside of your fender, and you just trace a line just like that. So it's like super easy, like costs nothing and effective, and you can get a good looking arc. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked about it. Hey guys, as you can see, it turned out super clean. Very excited with the turnout of this cut. So on these BMWs, they seam the fender all the way down in the lip where they roll it, where typically most manufacturers will seam it further up. So not a big deal. I decided to leave this room here anyways so that there's seam contact from here all the way over to right here basically, and then it's kind of like just the ends are touching from there to this point, and then they're touching again here. So Emerson is going to have plenty of room to put seam sealer in there and have it be a very robust fender cut, so he won't have to worry about moisture or integrity or anything there, and he'll be able to clear about another cut 1.25 inches up out of there, which he wasn't really going to have that much clearance issue with the wide body kit he's going to be running anyways, but you just can't be that guy that doesn't cut your fenders and rubs and has those problems. So yeah, it's looking really good. I'm excited, and I'm excited that he decided to go this extra 9 yards here and decide to cut those. So hell yeah. All right, let's get back to it on the other side. Here in the Wenatchee, Washington area, check out EA Auto Detailing. He does really good work. Yeah, he's cleaned my dad's truck and my van and other things, and they always look amazing. Okay guys, so I just got this side trimmed out and it looks amazing. So I don't know, here I'm gonna flip the camera around for this part, but I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful this was. Look at that OEM quality cut right there. I don't know if you guys have seen any of TJ Hunt's wide body installs but I saw how he cut fenders and stuff, and I was like so I just wanted to give you some perspective, because I'm apparently just some hick, you know, van guy from the middle of nowhere in Washington, and I can cut fenders like Dakai-san. So anyways, if you guys want to, refer me to your boy TJ Hunt so that I can come cut out the fenders on all of his cars for wide body kits, and he can pull the wide body kit off and people don't look at the car and go, oh my god, what happened to it? So yeah, anyways, I love TJ Hunt. He's a fucking beast. He's running the car scene on YouTube, but he needs some help in this department, so refer your boy. Emerson's camber wasn't quite right, so now his camber's fixed, but I'm pretty sure I fucked up his toe. It's fine. German engineering, you know? You change one thing, you gotta change everything. I didn't change everything. He still needs an alignment, but yeah. And he borrowed this set of wheels from a buddy, like I said earlier, so that's freaking mint. But we got that right there, and we got that right there. So I think I got it pretty close, honestly. Maybe it just looks like the toe out's fucked up because he's got these hot boy wheels on this side, but yeah, dude, I'm super stoked. Let's set her down on the ground and see how much more clearance he has now. He's monster trucking right now. Oh, dude, yeah, this thing is an absolute monster truck. Ready for Monster Jam 2020 for sure. All right, let's see this over here. It's probably gonna be even more monster truck over here because this is hot boy special. Oh my lord. Yeah, dude, we got all the gappage right there. It's perfect. Hell yeah, bro. All right, well, this ain't looking too bad. Should we do a cold start or what? Yeah, let's do a cold start. first side job I ever did in my life that was vehicle related was these blast pipes. And I did them so long ago, and they still look so good. I'm so proud of that. Like, so stoked Emerson gave me the chance to do those. And they're kind of like that timeless thing that I did when I was a little bit younger. I want to say that was like 3 years ago, so I was like 18. Pretty solid, dude. Thanks for letting me work on your car some more. My dudes, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate the heck out of all you. Hope you got some entertainment out of doing something different. I love doing projects like this, so if you have something similar that you want done, hit me up on Instagram, send me a DM, you know, at that van guy, 2 Ys, all the underscores, all that shit. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. More VUC conversion videos coming soon. Should be part 5 is the next one, and that'll be super tight. Excited to do those. I'm excited to have it done so I can start driving it. I keep thinking of other rigs that I want to go out and buy, and it's like, I just got to get that VUC done, you know? I'm going to have so much fun driving that thing. I did a test trip up and down the alleyway, and it's actually super quick. Like, the weight that it lost, I immediately noticed a difference in the acceleration, so we're making progress in the right direction. Just excited to see where it's going. So anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.